Imagine living in a time when it was illegal to own a dog if you were a woman. Yes, in 17th century England, there was a law that prohibited women from keeping dogs without a license. The reasoning? Authorities believed that women were too emotional and would neglect their pets. It sounds absurd today, but this law reflects the gender biases of the time, where women were often seen as incapable of responsibility. This bizarre regulation not only highlights the absurdity of historical attitudes towards women but also reminds us how far we've come in recognizing individual rights. It's a wild reminder that what seems normal now was once considered radical or even dangerous.